Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and sculpt the hands. And with the hands, hands can be a little tricky, but I feel like a good trick for the hands is to have the outside of the hands as flat and the inside of the hands as kind of rounded. So I'll show you what I mean by that. So I'm going to go to flatten here. And again, kind of the back side of the hand. I'm going to kind of think of it as three planes, kind of like where one knuckle, kind of two knuckles, three knuckles. And then same here, here, and here. And again, with this, I'm going to double check. I can see mirroring is on because I've got the red dot on the other side, so that's good. Clay strips for the knuckles. So I kind of get some marks, kind of get established like that, and then I'll kind of smooth it over, holding down Shift. And then on this side, ooh, okay, so hold on. Maybe if it kind of feels deflated like that, I might go to like the inflate here and kind of see if I can kind of like get some more meat back on that finger there. Aha, there we go. And again, I'm going to kind of have the outside of it flat and the inside more kind of this real bubbly kind of effect. So I'm just taking inflate now. And don't forget, if you that you have a hand that you can look at yourself as good reference. Might even press G for grab. And then maybe even draw sharp for the creases here, like at the fingers. think if you kind of make it 3 distinct planes, like there's 1, 2, 3, that's going to kind of read better. Okay, great. So I feel like we got some good definition of the hands started here. I feel like the most important fingers are probably like the index finger and the pinky finger, because we can kind of see those the most. So that's what I would kind of, kind of put some extra time into, just making sure that everything is good on those.